Okay, time to make a graph. So you'll find the assignment under Create a Graph under Mathematics. The stats we're going to be using are on this link, so you can go ahead and click that. I've already got it loaded over here. And you're going to go into My Drive, and you're going to do New, Google Sheet. Now, when you hand anything in, you're going to be doing it on Google Classroom. So you can name it the following. I want all of you guys to try to name your stuff in the same way each time. So you're going to put your first name and then the assignment name. So create a graph, just so that it's different for each of you so that I can see it. Now, the best way to do this when you have stats in one screen and you have the sheet in the other, you're going to go ahead and split it, which means you drag the window over, and then as soon as you hit this side, it'll put it halfway through the screen, so it's perfect. So I've asked you guys to do a link or to do a graph for the years and for the months in 2017. I'm going to do the year 2000 as the example. So what we do here is we're going to make just the same chart, but on our Google Sheet. So we start with province on one side, year on the other. Or sorry, not year. It's going to be smoking prevalence, because that's what we're looking at here. Smoking prevalence. Hard word. Okay. So, province, we're going to go BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Ontario, Quebec, Quebec, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, PEI, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Okay, so we've got all of our provinces here. We aren't doing territories, just provinces. And then we're going to look over here at the numbers. So for British Columbia in 2000, it was 19.6. Oops, not 19.6. And then we go down to 22.6 for Alberta, 28.1 for Saskatchewan, 25.7 for Manitoba, 23.1 for Ontario, 28.2 for Quebec, 26.6 for New Brunswick, 29.8 for Nova Scotia, 25.7 and 27.7 for Newfoundland Labrador. Okay, so we have all our data in here. The next step we're going to do is you're going to select all that data. And you're going to go up here to Insert, and you're going to hit Chart. Now, it'll automatically pick what kind of chart you need based on the information you gave there. So you'll see it picked a bar graph for me, which is exactly what I wanted. If you wanted to change it, you would just click here, and you could click on the line chart, scatter chart, bar chart, but sideways. That's also okay. So if you look here, we have all the data that we wanted. Now, what is this telling us? This is telling us the percentage of people, is it percentage, that smoke in each of these provinces based on the year. So again, 2000, this is what we look like. So we see when we're looking at this that Nova Scotia has the highest number of smokers, highest percentage, not necessarily numbers. And then we look over here, BC has the lowest percentage of smokers. Now, that is one of the things that we can look at here. And then if we look at this graph compared to the one you guys are going to make, we can get even more information. So a graph is just a nice visual way for you guys to be able to see statistics. All right, so that's how you make it in Google Sheets. Nice, quick, and easy. Take some time to practice that. Do the 2017 graph and submit that